Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting a brand new series on Bash scripting, one of the most powerful tools for automating tasks in Linux. If you have ever wanted to write your own script to save time, this video is for you. So the first most question which comes in your mind would be, what is a bash? So bash stands for Bourne Against Shell. It's the default command line interpreter on most Linux systems. It lets you run commands, automate tasks, and write logic just like a programming language. So why learn bash? It's lightweight and already built into most systems like Ubuntu. It's perfect for system admins, DevOps, and anyone working on Linux. You can automate things like backups, system monitoring, file operations, and much more. Now, let's walk through writing your first bash script. Now, step 1, open the Ubuntu app in your desktop and create a file. We can create a file using the nano and your file name. For example, I am writing a hello as a file name. .sh is used to save a file for extension used in bash scripting. So this will open a file for you. You can see here my file name is hello.sh and I can write anything inside this. Step 2 will be adding a shebang line and some commands, which is hashtag, exclamation mark, backslash bin, backslash bash, and the command echo hello, comma, $sign, and user, which will print my name because I am the user for my Ubuntu app. After echo, I want to print today's date. So today is that. After writing my file, I need to save the file, which is, we can use Control X. So you can see that you can press Y for saving the file to buffer, and for no and C for cancel. So I'm just using Y and enter, which saves my file. That's our first scripting file which we have written named hello. Now let's make this file executable. So type this in your terminal, chmod, which changes the mode to make the file executable. And our file name was hello.sh, and then enter. This command gives executable permission to your file, so our file is now executable. Now run your script using ./hello, which is your file name, .sh, and voila, you can see your greetings and the current date and your username on your terminal right there. And there is your first bash scripting language, a smallest coding part. Let's add some more user interaction. Open another script called greet.sh, so which opens like nano greet.sh, and the firstmost line should always be bin/bash. Now let's echo. What's your name? Read The read command reads whatever is in your name, like whatever input you give to. So name is a kind of variable which I am giving, which will read whatever you type in the terminal. And then I want to echo that name. So for example, welcome. Dollar is used for fetching the data, and name is my variable which I used for getting the data in. So welcome, whatever the name you type in the terminal will also be reflected in your terminal saying welcome, for example, John. So again, save the file using Ctrl X and then Y and enter for saving the file. Again, we need to make it executable every time we make a new file, which is change mode plus X in the file name, which is greet.sh, and enter. For running the file, always /greet.sh. Try it out and see how Bash can interact with users. So I have written what is your name, for example, John, I said. So it reflects me again back with the name using the echo and getting the variable from the user. This is your first most interactable user file in Bash programming. And that's your first step into Bash scripting. We write scripts, make them executable, and even use variables and inputs. In the next videos, we will dive into conditional loops and real-world automation. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with any scripting ideas you would have like me to cover. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching me.